Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm here in Atlantic City on the beautiful, iconic, historic Atlantic City Boardwalk. It's a beautiful summer day here. It's early evening, late afternoon maybe. I want to check out Resorts Hotel and Casino. Now, I've done several videos from there, but I want to do a extensive tour of the place. Not so much the room and pool, I've done that before, but just a walk-around tour of Resorts Hotel and Casino, and check out Bar 1, which is one of their lounges right off the casino floor. It's a pop-up lounge. They usually do these themes every once in a while. They had a beautiful one for Valentine's Day, and right now they're doing one called Under the Sea, and I want to stop off there and maybe we'll have a cocktail in there while we're inside. So let's check out Resorts Hotel and Casino and see what's going on inside, shall we? Behind me, this older tower here at Resorts is called the Ocean Tower, and that's the original tower here at Resorts. And Resorts was one of the first casinos, actually it was the first casino to open up here in Atlantic City back in the 70s. I stayed at the Ocean Tower here and I had a great time. It's very nostalgic. The rooms are, it depends on the room that you get, because some of them are like 2 rooms that have been converted into 1. It's an older tower, so a lot of construction over the years, and depending upon the room you get, you know, the sizes vary. So but I had a great time here at Resorts. And if you look over towards that way, just a little bit more I guess towards the city, you have the Rendezvous Tower, which was built years later, and that's a more modern tower. I haven't stayed in there. Maybe sometime in the future I will, but I did do a video here on the pool and room here at Resorts, so check that out here on the New York channel. I'm gonna head inside now and let's check out what's going on inside, shall we? Behind me is Bar 1. They do a lot of pop-up themes, as I mentioned before. They had a really nice one for Valentine's Day, and this summer they have one called Under the Sea. We're going to take a walk around this hotel, bring you guys around with me. We'll head upstairs a little bit, check out the shops, the restaurants, and maybe we'll head back here and grab a cocktail. We'll see as the video goes on. I've mentioned in a couple of my hotel and casino videos that most hotels and casinos have a drop box like this one that has a place where you can drop in your winnings, or your 23-cent winning slips or whatever, or maybe your dollar chip or some loose change you might have in your pocket. They usually go for a good cause, so instead of throwing those tickets out or just leaving them in the machine, make sure you drop them in a box like this one, and they usually, like I said, go to a good cause. I would love to attend one of these beach ball butcher mysteries here at resorts. It's held on the 13th floor. Sounds like a lot of fun. Unfortunately, they're only held on weekends, and I have an issue with my day job, so hopefully if I get a weekend off sometime here in June or July or August, I will be able to attend one of those, and I will certainly bring it to you guys, but depends on my scheduling, so we'll take it from there. By the way, the suit in front of me with the walkie-talkie, I'm sure, is casino security, and he's been keeping an eye on me, and I'm keeping an eye on him, but as a vlogger, I don't anticipate on doing anything outrageous. I never do, so I'm sure we won't have any issues here. These sidewalk slabs are all over resorts. They used to be outside on the boardwalk. Now they're inside, protected. This one behind me is Buddy Hackett. There's lots more throughout this property, including upstairs by the showroom, so we'll take a look at those once we get upstairs. Resorts has a Roaring 20s theme, and that's very evident with all this black and white marble and brass fixtures. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. You'll notice coming up a pool closed sign here. It's been closed pretty much since last summer. They've been installing a glass removable or motorized roof over the pool. Everything's being totally redone on the pool deck. I have a video of the old pool, or the old pool deck, here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. Once this pool reopens, I will bring you guys the video. I love the Roaring 20s theming here at resorts. It's a classic, and it will never grow old if you ask me. And I wanted to give an honorable mention to Jeff Shoemaker, who found a tiara on a girl playing with a ball on the Steel Pier, my last Atlantic City video. Now this girl was playing with the ball wearing a tiara. Now it wasn't Clarice, the Miss America crown, but he managed to find this girl with a crown on her head, and I have to give him an honorable mention. So, good job, Jeff Shoemaker. It wasn't Clarice the crown, but you get an honorable shout out anyway. Besides, you have a cool name. Good going, Jeff. Don't forget, stay tuned to this video. I'm going to have a cocktail at Bar 1, or as it's currently known, Under the Sea. And as always, if you're digging the video, why not give it a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks, guys. There's a very popular Wet Willies here at resorts. During the evenings in the summertime, the line is like 40 deep. It's really busy here. Very popular place. We're upstairs now, and some of the restaurants up here include Dougherty's Steakhouse and Raw Bar, as well as Breadsticks and Capriccio, the Italian restaurant. And the showroom is up here, including some ballrooms, and the walkway, or the pedestrian way over to Hard Rock, is up here as well. I had breakfast here at Breadsticks, and it was very good. That video is available here on the New York channel, but they do lunch and dinner as well. And I just did a happy hour here at Dougherty's Raw Bar, so check that out. Behind me is a pedestrian walkway that actually leads to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Someday I'm going to do a video of all the passages and the pedestrian bridges that connect all these hotels together. Especially good in the winter time when it's either snowing or one thing or another. It's a great way to get from one place to another without actually going out on the boardwalk if you didn't want to do that. Atlantic City is full of them, just like Las Vegas is. So someday I'm going to do a video on just those passages that lead from one casino to another. Right now we're at the boardwalk entrance of the resort's hotel and casino, and we have a couple restaurants here, including Margaritaville. There's a video here about that place, as well as the Margaritaville souvenir shop. There's a Mukashi sushi bar, as well as the DraftKings sportsbook, which has some food as well. Alrighty guys, we're going to take a quick walk through this casino as long as that guy in the suit doesn't bother me, and we'll head over to bar 1 where it's a pop-up bar right now called Under the Sea. I have no idea what I'm going to order, but we'll take it from there once I sit down. So here we are at Under the Sea, more commonly known as Bar 1, and they had a couple cocktails, specialty cocktails, while this place is themed as Under the Sea on the website, including something called the Orange Crush cocktail, and there was, I'm going to say 2 or 3 cocktails, and when I approached the bartender, he had no idea what I was talking about, so the website people aren't in touch with the actual bartenders. I ordered my usual vodka martini, so I wanted to order something special for you guys, but it didn't come along, but I'm going to enjoy this vodka martini anyway, because this themed place is really cool right now. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. That's pretty much it for Resorts, Hotel and Casino here in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Had a great time visiting here today. I stopped off at the Bar 1, which is now known as Coral Reef or Under the Sea. I ordered a orange diving horse or something like that. It's on the website. It's part of that Coral Reef special thing that they have going on. Bartender had no idea what I was talking about, so that's why I ordered the regular vodka martini, which was very good, by the way. 12 bucks plus a tip. Good martini. I had a great time here today. I'm going to head over to Steel Pier and see what's going on over there, so stay tuned to the New York channel for more videos coming from Atlantic City. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.